Hi, this is Joanna from Edible Ornamentals, and I hope you're all staying safe and sane during these crazy times. So I'm going to tell you about a few of the plants that we have on offer, because we're going to start doing mail order, which we haven't done for quite a while. And we've got an amazing offer of a free plant for £12 with only $3.95 postage and packaging. There's about 12 plants that you can choose from, and I'm just going to tell you briefly about some of them. So here we have the Anaheim chili, sometimes referred to as the hatch chili. Now this is wonderful. It's a milder chili and I love it when it goes red. It's quite a big chili, about this sort of height, and it's nice and sweet with just a slight tease of heat to it. So I like to roast this one in the oven, and then I'll get some nice good quality olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, bit of oregano, sprinkle that on top, and I'll use that as a side salad. So that's a nice family friendly one. Another one that's family friendly is the Fresno here, sometimes referred to as the bullet chili. The name is interchangeable, and this is what they're going to look like once they've been repotted by yourselves. Now the Fresno, the bullet chili, it's like a jalapeno, great in chili con carnes. It's nice and firm. The advantage that it's got over a jalapeno is the fact that it actually stays quite hard when it goes red. Jalapenos go a little bit soft. So flavour, heat profile, about the same. Then we go to the Serenade. Now this is another one of my favourite chilies. It's a good all-rounder. Tastes like a chili should do, doesn't make you cry or anything like that. But if you do like it hot, we've got the nice fiery Scotch Bonnet here. A beautiful plant. Being a hotter variety, they will take a little bit longer to fruit. Most of these will be fruiting about May time. The Scotch Bonnet, they usually start fruiting about July, August time. You'll be picking them in August. So nice, nice on your barbecue. Anyway, take care everybody. Stay safe. Keep it hot.